So today is the day na kung kailan itong Mazda 6 ko ay ipapasok ko for maintenance. What are we gonna expect pagdating sa dealer? So yun nga, bawal ang walk-in as usual, yung quarantine, and then the usual service booklet. Ayoko makita-contaction sticker ko. Ano maintenance ito? Well, it's a Mazda, so my car isn't even 3 years old yet, so itong Mazda 6 ko is still under free maintenance. And at this point, dapat 50,000 kilometers na raw siya, sabi ng Mazda, pero ang baba pa ng mileage yung Mazda 6 ko. So, let's go to the dealer. Tingnan natin kung anong mangyayari. Take note, 25836. So pag pumaas to ng wala sa oras, alam natin kung ano nangyari. Okay, pababa tayo. Fast racing by cars. Dapat yung kinakapat sa pinaka ito. Okay. So basically, what just happened sa dealer kanina? So, as with every dealers nowadays, bago ka pumasok itong quarantine period natin, hindi ka pwede mag-walk-in. You should set an appointment first bago kayo pumasok for maintenance. So, hindi pwede ngayon na walk-in. And then, you should also follow yung appointment mo. Hindi ka pwedeng late, hindi ka pwedeng mas maaga kasi that will ruin yung kanilang social distancing measures, since ang purpose nga nung appointment na pagset nga nung appointment is to limit the number of people inside the dealership. Now, with Mazda, where my dealer is, which is Mazda Santa Rosa, it's actually pretty smooth. So, ever since naman, Mazda's dealership experience has been award-winning. 2016, 2019 winner ng JD Power Customer Satisfaction Survey sa dealership. And then today na ito nga appointment basis ang mga dealerships, actually in my experience parang mas efficient yung mga dealers ngayon. The process has become smoother, and then since everyone's following yung kanilang mga appointment, everything runs on time like clockwork. So yung maintenance mo bilis lang, and of course being a Mazda, yung second ko, which is this Mazda 6 wagon, aware naman kayo na Mazda has a free 3-year maintenance program and the 3-year warranty. So, my car is 2.5 years old at this point. Wala pa binabayaran. My expense with this car has always been just fuel, yun lang. Hindi ko naging concern ng cost sa maintenance. And then another good thing is yung mga people inside the Mazda dealership in Mazda Santa Rosa, also in Mazda Makati, where I also did my maintenance before. Super customer-centric ng mga tao. They really are very attentive to you. They're really focused on delivering an excellent customer service. And then, yun nga, as mentioned, wala akong ginastos sa service since this car is still in Yojin 3, or at least it used to be called Yojin 3. And then, key things to remember before you do your preventive maintenance nowadays: always remove your stuff inside your car, especially since the dealer disinfect your car. So if you have your things inside the car, then that's basically more stuff for the dealer to worry about in terms of disinfecting. So remove all your stuff sa car before going for a maintenance. If you want for added peace of mind, you can avail of the anti-back service, which is being offered then not just by Mazda pero a lot of other dealers. But ultimately, it's still gonna be your responsibility on how you will take care of your car pagdating sa disinfection. That hindi ibig sabihin na na-disinfect yung kotse, hindi ka na maghuhugas ng kamay pag uwi mo ng bahay. No, you still have to remove all your clothes pagka uwi and take a bath just to be safe. Hindi incentive yung pag-disinfect ng kotse sa dealership for you not to be vigilant anymore about the virus. And then there's also the employees ng mga dealers. So, naka-mask sila, naka-face shields din yung iba. The mechanics especially are taking extra precautions syempre with their car since syempre ito yung contact point nila with the customer, the car itself. And then syempre sa lahat ng mga booths or counters sa loob ng Mazda Santa Rosa, may mga may mga plexiglass to protect syempre yung serve as a two-way protection between the customers and the employees. And that's basically how dealer operations work nowadays during itong pandemic. So first and foremost, set an appointment. Hindi ka pwedeng ma-walk in, and then stick religiously to your appointment. Hindi ka pwede mag-miss. Huwag ka rin maging too early since it will ruin nga yung kanilang social distancing measures inside the dealer. If you want for added peace of mind, you can avail of the anti-back service, which is being offered then not just by Mazda pero a lot of other dealers. And then there are car companies out there who've been doing online services for their after sales. And then in case you missed it, Mazda is now doing 5 years free maintenance for every brand new Mazda. So, sayang naman 3 years na kami. Anyway, yun. So, in case you've missed the news, all Mazdas bought from April 2020 onwards are part of the 5-year free maintenance program ngayon that Mazda has introduced. So, rather than 3 years, 5 years na ngayon or 100,000 kilometers. And then, in case tanongin nyo kung may catch ba, no, there is no catch. It's really an honest-to-goodness, transparent 5 years free maintenance program. And then, baka isipin nyo, ay, baka magmamahal mga coach ng Mazda after because of that program. No. Mazda won't be increasing the prices of its cars due to the 5-year maintenance program. So, it's not a cost that's going to be passed on to the consumer. Hindi siya ganon. So, owning a Mazda has never been more convenient than ever with the standard free 5-year maintenance. It's not a short-term program. It's for every Mazda perpetually that's bought from April 2020 onwards. Don't forget to subscribe to Go Flat Out PH since based on my statistics, 70% of those who watch my videos are not subscribers. So, sayang naman, subscribe and stay updated with some of our latest videos, reviews, vlogs like this, and all this stuff.